Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all Google search history. So for you to be able to delete all your Google search history, first thing is you have to open your browser on your phone. Then you type in google.com in the search bar, type in google.com. Then at the top here, at the right top corner, you will see your icon, your name, Google name icon at the right top corner, just as indicated in the video. Then you tap on the icon, and from there then you scroll down a little, then you tap on search history. You tap on search history and give it a few seconds to load. Then from here you tap on delete. Tap on delete, then you delete. For right here you have 4 options, which is the preference for the delete is that you delete for today, only the today's search history, or you delete custom range by the numbers of days, or you specifically delete for some, or you delete all time. So I'm just going to delete for all time, and you can see these are the list of my search history. Then I'm going to tap on next. Then I'm going to tap on delete. You can see deletion complete, and that is how to delete search history on Google. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.